Hey guys, so we've got the Ridgid 50-inch job site box here, and we're taking a look at how to install the locks. I've already got these put in. It's actually kind of difficult to find the correct locks unless you already have this apart. So this master lock right here is the recommended lock, and you're going to see up in the corner of the package it says 5T. These locks fit perfectly in these holes. So whenever you buy your Ridgid job box, make sure you get the locks that say 5T, and they've got a level 8 security, so they are definitely good locks. Now, as far as actually putting the lock in, you'll see that U-bolt there that grabs the shackle of the lock. You're going to want to have it as centered as possible, and then there's two nuts back on the back side there, and whenever you tighten this down, it's going to take a little bit of adjusting to make sure you've got this thing dead straight. That way your lock slides in and out nice and easy. And it's the same on both sides. It's just a couple of 7/16 nuts and a U-bolt to hold the shackle. And once again, you're going to want to make sure, give it a little adjusting, tighten it up, loosen it up, tighten it up, loosen it up till you've got this thing dead perfect and your lock slides in and out nicely. Just like that. I'll show you the other one here. One finger locks it. That's what you want, guys. All you need is a 7/16 wrench and a 5T. Look in the top right corner, 5T master lock, best you can get. All right, thanks guys, have a great day.